Hey everyone, and welcome to another week in music class. We will start this week with our song of the month, so you can listen to that. That's that Get My Way song that we really liked last week. And then we're going to go to a new song called Thanks to You. Now this week is Veterans Day, and that's when we honor our veterans. And you may have some veterans that are in your family. I know I do. And I love the opportunity to get to say thank you to them for all that they've done. And then also for some of our emergency workers, thanking our teachers, and then thanking our families. And so this song is all about thanking other people because it is Thanksgiving time. So the word thanks, or thank you in sign language, goes like this. You have one hand out like this, and the other hand over your, just right here by your mouth, and go, thank you. And just lay it down into your other hand. Thank you. So, thanks to you. So during this song, when we're singing it, when we get to those thanks to you, we're going to do that. Thanks to you. Then maybe there's someone in your life that you need to thank. And so you could go up to them and say, thank you. Or maybe you could write them a nice note or color a picture. Find some way to tell someone thank you this week. Here we go.
Thanks to you for all you've done and all you do. Working, helping endlessly, building our community. Thanks to you. We want to say thanks.
Okay, so you know what it sounds like.
Thanks very much for being so brave, creating a world where we can be safe, keeping us protected and shaping our minds, loving us well and giving your time. Because of you, I'm healthy and free. I don't have to worry because you care for me. In your hands, I'm safe and sound. And I want you to hear me say thanks real loud.
Here we go.
Thanks to you for all you've done and all you do. Working, helping endlessly, building our community. Thanks to you. We want to say thanks to you. Thanks very much for being so brave, creating a world where we can be safe, keeping us protected and shaping our minds, loving us well and giving your time. Because of you, I'm healthy and free. I don't have to worry because you care for me. In your hands, I'm safe and sound. And I want you to hear me say thanks real loud. Thanks to all the firefighters. Thanks to all the police officers. Thanks to all the doctors. Thanks to all the veterans. Thanks to all the coaches. Thanks to all the elementary principals. Thanks to all the families. Thanks to all the teachers. Thanks to you for all you've done and all you do. Working, helping endlessly, building our community. Thanks to you. We want to say thanks to you. We want to say thanks to you. We want to say thanks to you.
I love that song. I hope you enjoyed that too. All right, so you can go back and listen to that if you would like. Then we're going to go on and introduce you to a person by the name of John Philip Sousa. Now I'm going to put another video on top of this book because I'm going to read through the book for you. So we're going to go ahead and close out of this video, and then we'll come back in for one on top of this book in just a moment.